How does Python calculate Pearson correlation between variables? Imagine trying to find out how two things move together. Maybe you want to see if taller people tend to weigh more or if days with more rain also have higher humidity. Python makes this easy with something called Pearson correlation. But how does it actually do that? Let's break it down. Python calculates the Pearson correlation coefficient, which tells us how strongly two numeric variables are related in a straight-line way. The value can be between -1 and +1. If it is +1, it means the variables go up together perfectly. If it is -1, it means one goes up while the other goes down perfectly. 0 means no clear linear relationship at all. To figure out this number, Python uses a simple formula. It takes the covariance of the two variables and divides it by the product of their standard deviations. Covariance measures how two things change together. If both tend to increase or decrease at the same time, the covariance is positive. If one increases while the other decreases, it's negative. Standard deviation shows how spread out the data points are from the average. So the formula looks like this. The correlation equals the covariance of the two variables divided by their standard deviations multiplied together. This keeps the correlation value between -1 and +1. When the data points are tightly packed along a straight line, the correlation is close to 1 or -1. When they are scattered randomly, it's near 0. In Python, you can do this calculation manually by first finding the mean of each variable. Then, subtract the mean from each data point to get deviations. Next, multiply the deviations of the two variables for each data point and add them all up. This sum is the covariance. After that, divide the covariance by the product of the standard deviations of both variables. But Python makes it even easier with built-in functions. The most common one is scipy, stats, Pearson. When you give it to lists or arrays of numbers, it quickly returns the correlation coefficient and a p-value. The p-value tells you if the correlation is statistically significant. Another option is NumPy, which gives a matrix showing the correlation between all pairs of variables you input. If you are working with pandas, the data frame or series objects have a method that directly computes the Pearson correlation. For example, if you have to pandas series called seriesks and seriesy, you can write from scipy stats import Pearson. Then core p-value is equal to Pearson, seriesks series y. This will give you the correlation coefficient and the p-value in just a few lines. This is very useful in data analysis when you want to understand how two variables relate, like how car weight affects fuel efficiency or how stock prices move together. In summary, Python calculates the Pearson correlation by either applying the basic formula involving covariance and standard deviations, or by using handy functions like scipy, stats, Pearson. These tools make it simple to see how two variables are connected in a straight-line way, helping you analyze data more effectively.